In this episode of Teslacam Stories.
Yes, sir. Reading you loud and clear. Clear. The clock has started.
The clock has started.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Wham, bam, Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
Rick was sitting in traffic in his Model S in Charlotte, North Carolina one morning when he noticed a car speeding in the turn lane. At the same time, the cars in front of him stopped to let a school bus out of a neighborhood street. As the bus turned out, the speeding car clipped the bus. Luckily, no one on the bus was hurt, and the driver of the car wasn't seriously injured. Nick was driving his 3-day-old Model 3 in Palo Alto, California, when he turned off the highway and noticed he was being followed by this car. Nick remembered him because he had gotten upset when Nick accelerated faster than he did on the on-ramp before they both merged onto the highway. As the light turned green, this happened. Okay, so let's break this down. The guy rolls down his window and throws a rock at Nick's Tesla, hitting the side pillar. The rock then bounces back and hits the guy's own car. All this because Nick's Tesla was faster. Nick followed him after this happened to get his license plate number, and then drove off since he didn't want to deal with a person who is clearly unstable. Nick called the California Highway Patrol, and the license plate returned to a car that had been sold, but was never registered to a new owner. The plate number was a dead end. Fortunately, the side pillar is cheaper to replace than a window. Nick made a service appointment in the Tesla app, and a technician came out to fix it. It was a 5-minute job for $300 US. Are you a Tesla owner with a Teslacam or Sentry Mode video you want to share with us? Please send the video together with a description of what happened via the link in the description below. This video comes from Anders in Sweden. When he sent in this video, he said, "A guy in a VW loses his bikes and then his wife." Let's have a look. There go the bikes. And there goes the wife. Keith was driving his Model 3 on autopilot in Dayton, Ohio when this happened. The car merged into Keith's lane and hit him. Autopilot couldn't safely merge to the other lane because this car was already there when the accident happened. Keith pulled over to the left to have a word with the driver, but the driver pulled to the right. They signaled to Keith to pull over one more lane to the right, but when he did, they took off. Keith had to wait for traffic so he could pull out onto the highway again. Once he did, he took off after them. The runaway offender cut off 3 lanes of traffic up ahead, and Keith saw that they had lost concern for safety as they made a run for it. Keith safely got off at the same exit they did, but they were long gone. Keith called the police and filed a report. He got information that the car that hit him was sold but never registered to a new owner. He ended up getting the damage repaired through his insurance company. He was able to get a service appointment booked through the Tesla app a week later, and the damage cost $1,200 US to fix. He added the Model S P90D he was given as a loaner was pretty sweet. See you next Sunday. Please like, share, and subscribe. New episodes released every Sunday.